Hello, I am Catherine Kat Cunningham for Q's Fleet News, in-market news. The North American automotive air filters market is on track to reach $924 billion by 2029, according to a new report. The market, valued at $5.7 billion in 2023, is seeing growth fueled by increasing vehicle production and heightened consumer awareness around vehicle maintenance and air quality. Key drivers include stringent emission regulations and the rise of customized and eco-friendly filter solutions. While electric vehicles pose a potential challenge to traditional air filters, innovations like smart filters and reusable options are shaping the future of the industry. The United States remains the dominant player in this market, thanks to its large automotive industry and focus on sustainability. Smart air filters on the rise. Another emerging trend is the introduction of smart air filter systems. These advanced filters come equipped with sensors, monitoring tools, and connectivity features that provide real-time data on air quality and filter performance. Benefits include optimized filter replacement timing, air quality information for vehicle occupants, and overall convenience. Eco-friendly and reusable filters, gaining traction. As environmental awareness continues to grow, there is an increasing preference for reusable and eco-friendly air filters. Traditional disposable filters contribute to waste, while reusable filters offer a more sustainable alternative, aligning with consumers' growing environmental concerns. That's all for this story. I'm Catherine Kat Cunningham, your guide to all things that are fleet news, here on Q's Fleet News. Until next time, keep loving these cars and trucks.